Would you spend $1,200 on a dinner at Red Lobster this weekend? Just regular Red Lobster for you and your significant other. What about Olive Garden? $1,500. Fridays, $1,700. Would you? I know it's a crazy question, but as I become obsessed with Bitcoin and the opportunity that exists in the crypto space right now, with the metaverse and with NFTs and with Bitcoin in particular is one of my obsessions. I want to challenge you on something that keeps coming to mind for me that's driving me bonkers, and it's driving my wife crazy and everything. It's not just the opportunity that exists, but the opportunity cost of all our decisions in the present moment. So what do I mean by that? With me and my wife go down and we spend $75 or $100 on dinner at Olive Garden or someplace like we would on a normal Friday or Saturday night. What is going on in my mind now is I'm thinking Bitcoin is going to, without a doubt, 20x. There's no doubt in my mind in the next several years, 2025 to 2030 latest, I can't imagine it going that far, but it's going to 20x. It's going to be $1 million a coin. I don't doubt that. I have firm convictions on it. Other than some black swan event that changes everything, I have really strong convictions on that. And so when I start thinking about that and considering that, I'm thinking if I put that $100, right? If it goes, it's 58,000 roughly today, 17 times, 18 times to reach $1 million, that's $1,800 that this $100 would be worth when we get to that point in Bitcoin. Shouldn't we order a $5 pizza or cook at home and put that $100 into Bitcoin? And I start thinking about that on all kinds of decisions. And because I see it as a small sacrifice, the opportunity cost, a small sacrifice, live like nobody today so you can live like nobody tomorrow is the saying, right? Pay a price today so that you reap the rewards tomorrow. So that vacation that we think we have to have, or that new car, or all these different things, these new outfits, all these things I'm struggling with, because everything now in my mind is a 20x because it's an opportunity cost. Not on life's essentials, right? You got to eat, you got to have housing, etc. But all these extra things now that I'm considering purchasing, I'm getting pushback in my own mind, and I'm pushing back on my wife and everybody else. Is it really the value of 20x? What's it going to be worth? Because you buy your TV, your new car, all these things start depreciating, and the technology is bad within a few years, and they don't have any real value. But that same money, if we invested it right now in Bitcoin, we can almost guarantee, not financial advice, but in my belief system, we can almost guarantee it's going to 20x. So I'm obsessed with the opportunity costs all around me, where I might be wasting money, because I don't want to miss this opportunity. I was too young and inexperienced to miss the opportunity of the tech boom when the internet came around. I didn't have enough funds put back, and wasn't smart enough again when the housing market bubble popped in 2009. The economy was a great time to gobble up investments. We stayed in a multi-million-dollar cabin in Colorado on a vacation, and I looked at the history of the property, and during that time frame when the market was underwater, somebody bought that house for like $100,000. I was blown away. I was so mad. I wasn't prepared when that opportunity came around. This opportunity is bigger than all of those, any of those, bigger than anything I'm ever going to see in my lifetime again. And I want to make sure that I don't miss the opportunity, that I consider the opportunity cost of every decision that I make. How hard is it going to be for me to kind of cut back for 2 or 3 years in order to fund an unbelievable life after that? I challenge you to start looking at your opportunity cost.